Okay, here we are in AliExpress store in Madrid, one of the shopping malls. Let me show you some of the computer here. See this desktop, this cabinet is only 42 euro. Some of the other you can see here, 48. The monitor, only 105. Some HP printer you can see, 579 only. You go here, you see more light sort of thing you have. See some of the devices, you have so many type of things. In here you have some sound system. You can see some Bluetooth speaker, cheaper quality. See here, energy system. The price 29 euro. These are, you can listen even. You have so many of them. You see the price 34. This is, I have one. This is Xiaomi, I think. 34. The price is almost same. I bought 2 years ago. You have a few more Bluetooth speaker. You can see. More you have. These are a little bit higher range to this one. The tall one. This one is 59. This is one big. You see the button at the top. You play another button. You can check. And here this is 73. Something like this. See here another Bluetooth speaker. Here you see 59 euro. More bigger, you see this one is a heavy, durable. You have all the button at the top. 109 euro. These are the more at the top. You can see this bigger is a big one. And the price here 59 euro. See the button at the top. More thing, we have something for clean the floor. See, these are the small machine, small robot for clean 600 euro, something like this. 323. You have different prices. Okay, here we can go. We have some other type of appliances. Have some shaving machine, other stuffs. Here you have some light, so I'm not wrong. More things, more home appliances, different types. You go here in the middle, you have more things. With the appliances, I don't know exactly. GeForce 800. What is that? You have here. You have some TVs. You can see the Hisense TV. The price with the size 24 inches 111 euro, 56 is 459 euro. After that, here you have LG. You can see this one 55 inch. The price in this case is 569 euro. In this case, you see more smaller version. More appliances, displays. See more home appliances, coffee machine. And here this is a place, Vinotech, that is you put wine in this. After that you have different coffee machine with different prices, more or less. Let me show you here, 349 euro. And you have so many type of machine available. You see here we have some small pans, small this. You can see the price 29 euro. The quality is little bit expensive, to be honest. And you have more some hub type of devices. You see here these are the hub for MacBook. I love them a lot. See the price more or less 1927. This one is a big hub. At the back side you have more product here. some bags. You see the bags, the quality 29 euro, look beautiful. Average price. You have this one is small, beautiful bag. Okay, I don't know exactly how much this one. So you can see here more the mouse and other things. Let me go to the, okay, here we have the part of the phone. You can see this is Poco X3 Pro 249, 179. This phone, I don't know exactly. Okay, this is Redmi 8T. After that, you have Poco phone F2 Pro 5G. The price more or less 499. Yeah, you have more this one. Okay, this is, you can pay in the quotas too. Xiaomi X3 299. They put one for more special 349. M1 10T 5G. And you have more phone. You see here Redmi Xiaomi version. You can see here Redmi Note, more or less the price. You can see the price by yourself, 159, with the model number also as well. Xiaomi, here you have also this side, Redmi Note 10 5G. This is Redmi Note 10. And this price was 229. This is 200 more or less. This one, the Pro version Note, and 300 euro. You have one more. Let me show you. This side is a blue color. Redmi Note 10s, and 269. So this is AliExpress store in Madrid. You have more phone, more things you can show if you want, guys. You have more things here, and you have another version, another company of phone, more or less of the price. This is 5G. Oh, X3, the price 419, 819. This is of 5G X3 Neo. And you have one more Find X3 Pro 60x zoom. Price here more or less, this one it has 1,169 euro. And this side you have Reno 4 Pro version 5G. More or less this is 769. Okay, 569, something else. This. See here, a small printer from Xiaomi, only 79 euro. The size is very small. You see, these are cartridges if I'm not wrong. More things at the top, the camera and other stuff. So okay guys, this is AliExpress store from Madrid for you guys. I show you a little bit of this, you can see as well. Can show you face of people. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care, bye bye.